We're showing you this demonstration with PVC Schedule 40. This basin was made for PVC Schedule 40. The PVC Schedule 40 bell hooks right up to this basin. Your very first basin, you'll put an end cap. These are 10-foot pieces of PVC. Now the bell goes over it, and then you take a coupler on the end that doesn't have the bell. We got a Schedule 40 to Schedule 40 PVC coupler. For demonstrational purposes, we went ahead and we ran this orange string. We got a line level on this string. Let me show you what that looks like. You can see how the bubble is center. For the most part, this is a demonstration. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just trying to show you guys how to put in a yard drain. You don't need any tools for this. Everything's a dry fit, slip fit, goes together. These are 10-foot pieces of PVC. The guys put an end cap on it right here. We got push pins that hold that together. Everything's pre-drilled. Push pins are easy and they're really strong. We got Schedule 40. That's the direction you want the bells to go in. We have this set up to where the direction of flow is this way. You want your bell in that direction. All right, so the next basin, this is key, this is important. You put a riser. Now the basin went deeper, you're going to dig deeper. But what that creates is slope. So we have this first basin, no riser. We have 10 feet of PVC. We got a riser, we're getting deeper. Another 10 feet of PVC. We have 2 risers. Our system is getting deeper. What are we doing? We're taking a flat yard that has no slope. We're building a yard drain system with slope. We get down to this next basin. We got 3 risers. We dropped it again. Our entire system has incredible slope. Guys did a beautiful job. So look at the box. The guys are using boxes. We got boxes under that catch basin. You can see how there's less and less boxes because we're getting deeper and deeper. Now I want to show you what this looks like on the PVC Schedule 40. You see how the bubble is going upstream? That's what you want. You want slope. You want that bubble to be going upstream. You don't want that bubble centered. That would mean you have no slope and you're flat. And if you had the bubble going the other way, well, now you have negative slope. So that's perfect. That's what you're looking for right there. If you have yard water standing and you just want to get rid of it, you got pooling standing yard water and you're trying to move it, this is how you take a yard that's flat, has no slope, has standing water. You're going to drain all that water. 6-inch catch basins, they draw in a lot of water. This grate right here has more inlet than any other 6-inch grate on the market. It's really easy to take this grate off because there's no screws holding it on. It just snaps off. You're going to backfill these risers. These risers have flanges. So when you pull your lid off, the riser doesn't come off. It's being held in place by your backfill. You just put the existing dirt right back. This is a yard drain. This is not a French drain. This is PVC Schedule 40. That's what these basins were designed for. So on this end, we have this run of PVC Schedule 40. We're at the very end of our line. Doesn't matter how long your line is, how deep it is. We slip on one of our couplers for corrugated pipe. You don't need a drill. You don't need a screwdriver. So we're going to put a little bit of this perforated pipe on here. This happens to be our micro bad seed. We can ship this in a box. You can see all the inlet. We want all the water that you take down to the sump pump system to get drawn in. This outdoor sump system, you just dig a big hole right here and you put this system in and you put stone in. And whatever height this happens to be, you just loop it around the unit and we're going to put a Y right here. So this is how you take and discharge that water to an outdoor sump system. Again, this unit is going to be in a big sump pit. This top is going to be at the height of the string. The string represents the height of your grass, the height of your turf, and it is level. We have a line level on that string. The unit takes in the water through here, and then you go ahead and you hook up flexible PVC Schedule 40. All the things that you're seeing in this video, we sell. Our online store has all these components. I like the Flex PVC, the 1.5" Flex PVC. You just loosen this and you slip it in, you tighten it, you run the Flex Schedule 40 PVC. We usually have 50-foot discharges, and you run this discharge line to wherever you want. You're 17 inches deep. The deepest basin is just a little under 17 inches deep. That's it. So you're not going to have to dig too deep. The guys did a beautiful job with this demonstration for you. Everybody wants to know, are you making all of your components in the USA? Yes, we are. Everything you see is made in the USA. Just under 17 inches in a 5-basin run. So you create great slope. We have 50-foot run. This basin will hold 1 gallon of sediment. You can get sand and sediment, and it can just fill this basin. You can clean them out periodically so that they don't end up filling up with a gallon of sediment, and then now the sediment travels down your line. So you do want to check these yearly and clean out any sediment.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.